Hi, my name's Caitlin, and today we will talk about something that I get a ton of questions about, and that is the capo. What is the capo? What is it used for, and how do you use it? What it is it's a clamp that I can clamp onto my guitar strings, just like that, on all the strings. There's a few reasons why I would do this. First reason is if I play a song, say a Johnny Cash song. I love to sing and play Johnny Cash, but as you know, he sings very low. And I hear that train a-comin', it's rolling round the bend. That is not in my vocal range. And so I can take my capo, and let's see if we put it on the 5th fret. I'll play the same song, the same riff. I hear that train a-comin', it's rolling round the bend. And I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. That's much more in my vocal range, and I can project and I can get more energy and I can just feel a lot more comfortable playing a song like that. The capo did all the transposing work for me. I got to play the song like I already knew how to play it, but I just played it up here on the 5th fret. Another reason why you might use the capo is, say if you're playing something nice and twinkly like this, but you want it to sound a bit higher, a bit more twinkly. And so maybe this time we will put it up on the 8th fret, and I will play the same thing. And this changes the tone of the guitar, it changes the sound, and it's maybe the sound that you're looking for. So you can put the capo anywhere you want on the different frets and experiment with the sounds that you get. A third reason you might use the capo is if you're playing maybe with your friends at a gym or something like that, and instead of all of you guys playing the same chords and the same strumming pattern and everything, you can, one person play the chords down here with no capo, and then someone else can play different chord shapes up here with the capo. And you get a different sound and just a bit more variety to your overall band or jam sounds. There's a bit more music theory involved to understand what chords you should play up here. We'll talk about that maybe another time. The last reason that I would use the capo is if I really wanted to play along with a song that is in a difficult key. So there's a song called When a Man Loves a Woman by Percy Sledge, and it's in the key of C sharp. So to play that song, I need a C sharp chord, I need a G sharp chord, A sharp minor, and F sharp, which are all bar chords. And bar chords are difficult to play. They're a lot of work. And personally, I like to just strum and sing, and I don't always want to have to working so hard to get my bar chords. So I'm going to let my capo do some of the work here. Instead of playing in the key of C sharp, I'll put my capo on the 1st fret, and now I can play in the key of C. So the capo transposes everything up one semitone, and it can play a C chord, a G chord, A minor, and F. When a man loves a woman, There's a few other reasons why, or there's a few other ways you can use a capo, but we'll let you just explore that on your own later. Those are my 4 reasons why I would use this capo. It's one of my favorite tools. I use it all the time when I play the guitar and sing. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching.